Hi everyone. Hello Sammi. Hello Parsnip. Guys, it's nearly tea time. Shall we wash our hands? Yeah. Do you know for how long you need to wash your hands? 5 minutes. No, that's a long time. Sammi? 5 seconds. No, that's too short. Guys, to wash our hands properly, we need to spend 20 seconds, more or less, to happy birthday. I know it's not your birthday, but let's pretend. We can do it like this. Let's all wash your hands. Let's all wash your hands with water and soap. Let's all wash your hands. Let's all wash your hands. Let's all wash your hands with water and soap. Let's all wash your hands. Clean. Now it's your turn. Bye.